So the first step for our storytelling process, which is copy pasting this prompt, that will help us find an unpopular facts or unpopular reason for our story. For my example, I will try to create a video about the Empress Wu Zetian. She was an old Chinese empress. She had a scandal story. She had an affair with her own stepson. Even she married him. So the idea is to create a video about her. When I paste this prompt, he will give me 5 unpopular reasons and unknown story about our topic. First of all, I need to analyze which story and which angle I will use to create my video. For me, I think I prefer the reason number 8. So it depends on you guys. It is your video, so you need to choose carefully the vision of your video. For me, I choose this one. So then the next step, which is going deep with this reason. Then I will need to copy this prompt. I will tell ChatGPT, I think that the reason number, for me, it is the reason number 8, is really interesting. Then I will ask him to go deep into this reason and give me short and specific idea, events, etc., turning point or facts that will help me go deep in my story. You see, he quickly gave me 5 short specific visual and facts. I think it's okay for me. I can use these facts, to enhance the quality of my video, etc. So then the next step, which is creating the hook for our story. For that, it is so simple, as I said. Just copy and paste this prompt. Before this, we need to tell him, base it on this information, base it on that, etc. You need to create me this hook, but first of all, I need to do precise that this is our story. Okay. Then he have created the hook. This woman, etc., got her rivals. I think that's okay for me as a beginning, as a first version of our hook. Okay, I think that I will keep it. But if you can, you can just ask him to give you more variation of the hook. And as I said, guys, it depends on you. If you like the first version, that's okay. But if you don't want, you can just do again the hook. So the next step now is to generate the story. Again, we need to copy and paste this prompt. And I will tell him again, write me a dramatic short story. I need just to correct this one. That's topic. It is this story. Okay. Then you see, he have gave me the right format of my story. He gave the year, etc., the content, the small twist, the plot twist, as we said in the early lessons. Okay, I think that I like this version, but I know that sometimes he gave you not the best version of himself. So you can ask him, for example, we will do a testing together. I will ask him to focus about how she married her own stepson, to see how can ChatGPT give you more example of the story. For that, I will ask him focus about how she married her stepson. Okay, so now we asked him to create us the second version of our story. We can choose between the first one and the second one, but if you want, guys, now you know the tools and how we going to create two version of our story. It's up to you guys. Okay, so the second step now, the third step, sorry, which is very important, which is creating the scenes of our video. So for that, what we need to do is we need to ask ChatGPT to break down each line of our story into a scene and write us the prompt for each scene for Midjourney. Why is that so important? Because he will try to divide and break down the story into the 2D animation style scenes for us, and he have the intelligence to create us the best prompt that we will use on Midjourney. For that, we need just to indicate him what style of 2D animation you can create. 2D animation, dark style, Disney style, 80s anime style. It depends on you guys. So let's first ask him to create us the first scene example, and then we are going to decide which one we are going to use. For that, he will think a little bit, then he will give us the result. Okay, so he gave us the prompt. All what we need to do is to copy and go back here on our Discord. We tap in imagine, paste the prompt, we add AR 9 to 16 because we are going to work on vertical video, the version V7, which is the last one. Then we can ask him to create us a raw style, which is very clean, and that's it. Okay, now he will need to think. Okay, now he gave me 4 variation of our first scene. I think all the 4 scenes are good enough to work with, but I will choose the first one. Okay, this is the first scene. It have too much details, which is good. Okay, let's go back now to ChatGPT and let's try to ask him to create us the second scene, and this will give us the idea on what are the possibilities that ChatGPT can generate in terms of prompt, and also what kind of animation style we need to choose on Midjourney. For that, I will ask him to create us any scene of the Empress when she is in her castle. Then I need to copy, go back here and paste. I will add again the same parameters for the resolution and style and version. Okay, I need to indicate him the name of the character. Maybe it will help him, we don't know. I think now he gave me a better result when I asked him to create an image of the Empress. Okay, let's zoom in. Okay, I think that I prefer the second one, where it have only 3 colors, the red, black and white. Let's click on upgrade or upscale. It's very, very awesome. Okay, I think I will choose this style for the rest of our story. For that, I need to go back to ChatGPT. I will tell him that, okay, now create me the rest of the scenes. Then he will try to create us the prompt for each scene. Okay, I will accelerate the video a little bit because it will take a long time to generate the rest of the prompt. Okay, now I will go back to ChatGPT again, to Midjourney, sorry, and paste the prompt. I will paste the same parameters. By the way, guys, if you want to create a horizontal YouTube video, you can just change from 9 to 16 to 16 to 9. Okay, then to keep the style, we need to add sref and paste the URL of the image. This will ask Midjourney to keep always the same style of the image that have our style as a reference. You see, he used the same colors, the same style, the same characters also, which is very, very good for us. So now what we have to do is to do the same process for the rest of the scenes. We need to upgrade or upscale the image. Then we need to do the rest for the rest of the scenes. And let's show you how to create the videos. We click on web and then we click on animate image low motion. It will take a couple of seconds. We will do the same thing for this scene, but we need to first to recreate it using the same red and black and white style. We need to do sref, then paste the URL of the image. Okay, you see now he tried to give me two style of the image. One image where we show only one scene, and for the first and the third scene he gave me three images. I will click on the third one just to show you the example of video he will create, because sometimes he do some mistakes, but I need to do this one in front of you to understand which one suits you the best next time. Okay, now he's starting the generation of the image. Okay, then guys, as I said, you need to just copy and paste the rest of the scenes into Midjourney, and your visuals and video will be done. Okay, let's do the fourth scene together. The fourth variation of this scene also. Midjourney is really excellent in keeping the same style. Okay, now we need to upscale the third variation, because this one I will use it on my video. Then let's go back to animate this scene also. We can click on low motion. Okay, let's see if we have finished the first scene. Okay, it's done. Okay, this scene is good. This video I don't like it because it have a wind effect. No, this one too I don't like it because it have the wind effect. This one is really good. Okay, I think I will use this one. Download for social media to have the best quality. You see, this is the first scene that we are going to use as an entry. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. It have some no, this one is good. This one too is good. Okay, I think I will use this one, or maybe this one. Okay, I will use this one. Okay, I think I will use this one because this is the only scene where the Empress is walking against the camera, not toward the camera. This one I don't like it because it's kind of weird. She's like dancing. I think I will use this one. This one is better. Okay, download. Okay, I think that's enough for our tutorial of how we are going to create generating the images and the videos. Let's do an example with only 4 scenes. Then I will show you how to do the same thing and process for the rest of the scenes. For that, you are going to use CapCut, of course. If you don't, if you have not downloaded yet, you can find the link below. Okay. Now we need to add the videos. This one, the second one, sorry, the second one, and this one. Okay, so you see in this interface we need to add our assets, our videos that we have created on Midjourney, and later we are going to add the audio using ElevenLabs for the voiceover, and finally we will add the captions. We will add also the sound effect and we will see together how we are going to finish this video. Okay guys, I think that's it for this session, and I will see you for the next video.